In Pinterest, do search for Polarr filters code, and there are several aesthetic filters code, and they are so awesome, so aesthetic, and you can easily save them to your gallery. Also, you can search for Polarr filters in Instagram. So you just have to search for Polarr filters, and there are several accounts which shares aesthetic filters for free. So yeah, do check them out. Now in Polarr app, click on open photos and then choose a picture which you want to edit. Now go in custom filter section and then click on import filters. So there are several options. You have to click on import from images. Now click on one of the codes you have saved, and yeah, just click on save to save the filters to your custom filters section. Now for saving pictures, you just have to click the arrow at the top and then save new picture option, and yeah, it is saved to your gallery.